What's good with y'all, bro? I'm packing my shit up. I'm leaving, bro. I'm about to take a little trip. I'm gonna go 2 hours out. Right now, I live in Cleveland, Ohio. I'm about to go to Columbus, Ohio. Bro, yesterday I stayed out till like 2 a.m. Like, I ain't gonna lie, this week was garbage. And that's okay. Like, not every week, not every day is gonna be a good day. Yeah. Excuse me. And tomorrow, like yesterday, I was just like, bro, yesterday was a tough night, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Like, it was really tough. And thankfully, my homie Kai was there. Y'all seen her on my page. Her name is Naya, but she goes by Kai now. So shout out to her because she was the one that I reached out to, and she actually helped me out. So she helped me get through that night and helped me like express and everything. Cause I was gonna make a video, but it was I get vulnerable with y'all, but I didn't want to get too vulnerable. You feel me? So yesterday, I was just texting her and shit. So shout out to her for real. But I was contemplating on going to Columbus because I always want to take a trip, and then two, there's something out there tomorrow, which is like a little spiritual gathering where we bring people together and we like really try to build each other up and shit like that, really help the planet. Shit that I go for, and I'm like, bro, I said I would drive about 2 hours to for a good cause and shit. So I think this is my time. Right now, I don't really want to be around people, but I think once I get there in a whole new area, I feel like my energy will be better. Cause I won't go there. Like, I go to Columbus tomorrow just because I want to go to Columbus. It just so happened that that was my calling. Like, I seen a video on my For You page talking about it's not a lot of spiritual people or aware people, not that fake spiritual. Like, it's not that many natural people in Ohio, and I'm like, I'm in Ohio. Like, I'm just in Cleveland, and they was hosting something in Columbus. So I'm like, fuck it, I'm about to just go, bro. Like, that's the green light to go. I always get a green light to go somewhere, and that was my green light to go. So take whatever I got, pack my shit up for the day, and I'm gonna just go. So I got my power box, my power station in the car. What else? I'm gonna bring my unk with me. I don't know. I'm just gonna do like a little day trip. I don't think I'm gonna spend the night there. I might spend the night there. Maybe I should prepare for that shit. We'll see. Cause worst come to worst, I'll just go back up there next week or something. Like if I meet somebody or shit happens like that. But I feel like this could be a good opportunity. I just have to be honest with how I feel. Like even if I go, I'm stating that like, I wasn't in the best energy before I came here. But I know when I get there, I'm going to feel better. Like I'm being around people that possibly think like me, are like me, got the same goals as me, not materialistic. You feel me? Like somewhere where I can actually fit in. Like this might be my chance to be somewhere where I fit in at, like physically, especially as a group. I always had like probably one person, one to two. No, I probably had like one person that like I really, maybe two people. I don't know, bro. Like it's very confusing in my head. Like if I'm really fitting in with this person or not. But this might be the first time where I really feel like I fit in with a group of people because I never fitted in with a group of people like ever, never like. So yeah, bro, I'm going tomorrow. I'm packing my shit up. I'm going tomorrow. Probably take a day trip if I like it. Trust me, if that shit goes smooth, bro. Like yesterday, I didn't even know I was gonna come home yesterday. Like I was just finna go. So I came. So look. So let's say my house is in the middle. I came from this area, right? Man, fuck it. So no, I don't even want to say the cities. I'm in Cleveland, bro. Like I'm in Cleveland. So I went from, if you know Cleveland, I went from Strongsville. I went from Cleveland to Strongsville. And then by that time it was like 7 at night, 7, 8. No, it was like 8. No, it was like 9. It was like 9 because I got done detailing this Porsche that I did. It was pretty cool. I got done detailing this Porsche, and then at 9, I went an hour away. Fuck, I got done detailing the Porsche, went home. Went home, changed socks because my socks was fucked up. Went all the way back out to Strongsville, and that took about 45 minutes, 50 minutes to get there. By the time I got there, because it was a car show, that shit was dead ass shut down and everybody was just scattered everywhere. So I drove around to a few spots where people might have met up at. It just wasn't enough cars there, so I ended up just driving. I just drove. I drove from Strongsville to Parma. I explored Parma, visited a few spots that I've been to before, reminisced a little bit. Just driving, bro. I just went and explored Parma a little bit. And then from Parma, I drove past my house. So my house is here, Strongsville, Parma. Then I went towards my house, and I'm like, right before I got in my house, I'm like, bro, fuck it. Made a right. Now I'm going towards Menor. So I went to Menor on the Lake, which is about 30 minutes from my house. So I just went 50 minutes from here to here, basically to my house. Then 30 minutes that way. So went 30 minutes to Menor on the Lake, and bro, this park was creepy as fuck. Like, it was I wasn't fucking with the vibe. So I ended up going to like a little baseball field. Just stared at the moon and just chilled out there, vented a bit. That's what I was gonna make my video, but I didn't do it. And then about 1:30 a.m. I drove home. Well, I was going about 40 on the freeway. Like, I was not speeding at all. I was not feeling it. So just driving slow on the freeway. Then I got home. What am I talking about? Like, I don't even know why I'm saying all this shit, but my mind just went off to this. Then I got home. It was about 2 a.m. and I went to bed at like 2:43 a.m. Boy, that shit was tough, my nigga. Like, oh my god. Yesterday was tough. But hopefully tomorrow will bring me that transformation that I need. Like, I think I just need to take a bigger step and I need to go. So I'm gonna go out there. I'm gonna bring y'all with me. If I go to the little group gathering thing, then I'll maybe show y'all that. It all depends on how the energy is. I pick up the camera when I want to. I don't give a fuck if it's forced. I'm not forcing it, like, at all. If I plan to record today and I don't feel like recording today, I'm not recording. Like, it's that simple. And like today, I didn't even really plan to record. And that video I just posted, bro, I made that shit like a week or two ago. Like 2 weeks ago. I made that shit like 2 weeks ago. I just posted it yesterday. I was contemplating on if I should have or if I shouldn't. Why should I? Why shouldn't I? And yesterday I was just like, bro, you know what? Fuck it. Like, just fuck it. So, yeah. That's really it. I'm just letting y'all know I'm about to go on a trip tomorrow. And I'm bringing y'all with me. So, packing my shit up and going. I'm gonna fill up here. I'm gonna get a smoothie. Go to the little thing if I feel like it. And after that, I may go, cause she owns like a restaurant. The girl that's hosting it, she owns like a restaurant. So I may eat there. Go see some houses or some nature, and then go home. I might fuck around and let me check the weather, cause if it's warm, if it's really gonna be hot, and I go to a nature spot that got water, boy, just know I'm exploring that shit. Like, let's see what Columbus looking like. Columbus tomorrow is supposed to be 88 degrees with 40% chance of rain. But that's only at 6 a.m. So I might bring me some trunks. Like, I might go do some shit tomorrow. Who knows? I'm just going with the flow. Like, fuck it. Then I'm gonna come back home, and then it's Monday. So, yeah. If y'all want to see it, let me know. If not, you don't gotta watch it, because I might still record. I don't give a fuck. I'm going to Columbus. I'm about to go take a trip. I'm about to go have some fun. So, I'm gonna see you on the next video. I don't even know what to say. I just want to let y'all know I'm packing my shit up and I'm going. Like, this is the first trip where, like, I'm taking in my car. I know it's little. It's 2 hours away, which isn't too little, but it's only going to be a day trip. So, I'll let y'all know. Eventually, I do want to make a vlog of me, like, staying in my car for a minute. Just to see how that shit go, bro. I just want to see. So, I'm going to catch y'all tomorrow. Bro, hopefully my energy is better. I'm pretty sure it will be. Because right now, this video is very... But it's alright. It is what it is, man. Not every day is a good day, but we do things to make our days better. So I'm trying this, and hopefully it works. So I'll let y'all know and keep y'all updated.